So then we're gonna block in the mouth, the lips. So we draw, this is the mouth, right? The mouth is really not straight, right? The opening mouth is usually at the, the center is higher and the corners are a little bit lower. So we start with the center here. We block in now the corners a little bit lower, and I want the corner to arrive about lining up with the margin, median margin of the iris, so here and here. And then now I have this and this, right? 1, 2, 3. I do this 1, 2, 3, like that, right? Now here I block in the upper lip, right? Trying to keep it very simple. Here we find the lower lip. The lower lip now will, usually it's a little bit narrower compared to the upper lip. So I make it start from here. I'm gonna make it start from here down. 1, 2, and then 3, right? So whole thing, we want the whole thing to be very, very planimetric, right? Very, very three-dimensional. So then what we can do, and this lip's a bit too wide, right? Here. So then what we can do, we can block in now here the upper lip, right? So the upper lip, this is the line that we're gonna block in now, right? There's gonna be a line here and here that frame the upper lip, right? This is the upper lip, this is the lower lip, right? Like this.